to Queens, New York. I'm Elias Borjas.
And I'm Alejandra Fermin with Empire Fine Homes. Together, we are here to give you an insider's look at what to expect in the Queens real estate market for 2025.
It's always been a vibrant place to live, work, and invest. And heading into 2025, we're seeing a few key trends that every buyer, seller, or investor should know about.
Pricing trends in Queens are on the upward trajectory. We are looking at potential 6.6% increase in median home prices over the last year, with the current median sitting at about 708,343. This trend suggests that while prices are climbing, Queens remains a hot spot for investment.
Alejandra, and inventory in Queens has seen fluctuations, but we're ending 2024 with a slight decrease in available homes for sale. There's a silver lining with new construction projects. More homes are expected to hit the market in 2025, which could provide more options for buyers looking for that perfect Queens address.
Neighborhoods like Astoria, Jackson Heights are becoming increasingly competitive, especially for starter homes. We have seen a significant increase in contracts signed, indicating a strong buyer interest despite the high demand for rentals.
And Alejandra, speaking of rentals, the rental market in Queens is booming, with rents at around $3,460 and leases up by 65% from last year. Many are turning to renting due to high home prices. But for those ready to buy, 2025 could offer a bit more breathing room in new construction and catch up with demand.
Mortgage rates are another key factor. While they being high, there is talk of a potential dip in economic conditions continue to stabilize. Make home buying in Queens more accessible for those waiting on the sidelines.
The economy is thriving, which fuels real estate growth. With a household income higher than the national average and strong job growth, the demand for housing in Queens is expected to remain strong, making it a seller's market, but with nuances for buyers.
Technology continues to redefine how we engage with real estate in Queens. From virtual tours to smart home features, these are becoming a standard, adding value to properties and enhancing the buying experience.
If you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in Queens, staying informed is your best strategy. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year in Queens with opportunities for everyone.
Again for joining us. Here's to find a new piece of Queens in 2025. And remember to like, share, and subscribe to this video.